So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix CapCut template not showing on PC. So in this video, I'll show you two different methods to fix this problem. So method now we have to now to this. So now it will close the project. So after it takes you now to back to your home page like this. Now click on the settings at the top. After you click on the settings, now go ahead now and click on this bashing button. So from the bashing now, I can see now click on this check for update. So if there is any update for your CapCut, just go ahead and update the CapCut. After you finish doing your CapCut, from there now go and try to off the template. From there it will be available for you. But if you try this and still it's working, all you have to do now just go ahead now and check on your internet. If you're using like mobile data to connect using your PC, just go ahead now and change the network. If not, just go ahead and restart the PC. After you restart your PC, just go ahead and try to open the CapCut and try again. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.